Hello people, at my workshop again. And today I finally have, actually I think this is the first chips ever on my new workshop. I got this rim brought in by a friend of my friend, and it had a really big crack in it. I think I will post a picture of the starting situation. And as you can see, I have put a lot of weld metal to the rim. And now I'm gonna mill it away. And I've got it dialed in well enough. And what I'm gonna do first is straighten out the outer lip. And I already know that I don't have quite enough material here, but I'm gonna take all the excess off now, and then I'm gonna bring my TIG welder next to the mill, and I'm gonna do the filling right here at the mill, so I don't have to set this rim up again. Okay, I think it is time for the very first chips in this building. Okay, I've got around maybe 60-80 RPM, and I'm gonna feed by hand. I had to make a little modification to my rotary table because the handle would have been in the way of the rim, and I had to actually weld this piece to the shaft of the rotary table. I really didn't like that, but I had to do it. Okay, and I've got some proper music here now. I hope there won't be any copyright issues. Okay, and I have a 20mm Soviet-made high-speed steel long 5-flute end mill. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna take this in 2 passes. And we are milling. Okay, I think I'll speed up a little bit. Let's see what we got. We got 100 RPM at the moment. Let's put on 200. Ai vittu. Okay, I've got 200 RPM now. And I forgot to tell you, but before I started putting this rim on the mill, I did some pretty good cleaning on this mill. I mean the ways of the mill. And I told you I would show how good these ways are. Maybe you can see now. Yes, now you can see these are the original machining marks, and there is almost no scratch at all. Actually, I can't see a single scratch right now. There is some very minor scratching, but there is nothing. And these ways are also very good. but these ways need at least some more cleaning to do, but they will be fine. I left the paint the way it is. I don't really care how the machine looks, as long as it works. And the ways are now properly cleaned and oiled. Okay, let's try again with 200 RPM. Okay, here we have the first pass. And it was taking right here too, even though I didn't put any weld in there. That's got to be because I think you can even see it. The lip of the rim is bent outwards. So I think maybe I'll just leave it like that and blend it in with my angle grinder and a sanding wheel. Let me show you my setup. I have 3 clamps going straight to the rotary table, and I have this big steel block between the table and the rim to lift it up a little bit. Okay, I think this is the end of this video. I may show you some more milling operations from milling the inside lip. Okay, thank you for watching and see you again. Okay, I have moved on to this angle right here, and it is actually starting to look like what it's supposed to look like. I've got the angle pretty well the same as the original is. This is the second pass. And I've got 400 RPM now. The same end mill.